Uh, Hello guys, today I'm gonna explain you the basics of the package JSON. So first of all, this is a package JSON. They will be you will find these files with your node package, so it's important to know how it works. Let's start with the name. Is the name of the package. If you publish your package, others will see the name you have set. So in my case, this is the name. So remember that the name needs to be URL friendly. So it's preferred to use dashes and to don't use uppercase and etc. So that's all. I don't think it's too much complicated. Then the dependencies, an object that maps the package name and the version. So here we have this is the dependencies. It is the value is an object that represents the dependencies. So here we have a dependency, for example, Express, with the version greater than 4 point. So let me explain this. Just let me write here. Okay, here. If I do, for example, this symbol right here, this symbol means 4.x. That it remains that it will grab or update to any version that is, the last version, but that doesn't overcome the 4, because the 4 it means major updates. This means minor objects, the middle one, and the third one means patch updates. So it's important to know that. Here we have two symbols. Just let me okay, two important symbols. The symbols are this symbol, okay, this symbol, and the other symbol is this. Okay, so these two symbols are the basic ones. This symbol means that it's 4.4.x.x, and this other symbol means 4. For example, 4 and x. Let's say that we have 4.4.4. And this is what this symbol means, this is what the other symbol means. We are adding x's, and that means it will update to the last update available. And that's all. That's how version works in package and so on. I will leave a link in the description so you can check it out, learn more. So let's go to the main. The main is the primary entry point of your program. For example, if someone do require my package, then it will return the exported models of the script. And what is my script? And here I specify that my script is server.js. That is my script. But if I delete this property, it will become index.js by default. So that's an important thing to know. Then the scripts. The scripts are commands that run at the various time in the life cycle of the package, assigned with life cycle events. Life cycle events, there are various events, but the basic one is the start. these commands will run in the terminal or in the background, you know. So in the scripts I add an object, and the property start, that is a lifecycle event, will execute node server.js. So that means that when I start the module, it will execute this script or this command. Then the repository, specify the place where the code lives, example GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. And this is an example, for example, let's say repository, an object, then the type, Git, the URL, and then the URL of the repo. So that's very simple. If you have a repo for the package, just add it like this, and you will not have problems. Then we have the author. Is the name of the author of the package, and we can see like this, it's me. Okay, so I don't see any complication in this. Then the description of the package that provide useful information to other users. Remember that if you publish your package in the platform, the npm platform, other users will see the description of the package, so it's very useful to see a clear description that specify the declares, or you know, explains what the package do. Then we have the keywords. It's an array of keywords that place your package in different categories. It's the same if we are, for example, in the npm platform, where other package lives, and you can search for a package and install that package. When other users search for it, they will use keywords. For example, some keywords will be first project example. Please don't use these keywords because they are not real. You need to use real keywords. For example, audio, MP4, MP3, codec. You know, that type of keywords. Then we have license. Is the license of the package, so other people can know how they are permitted to use it. A very common license is the MIT, but if you want to use another license, I will leave a link in the description, so you can check what other license and how to put them here. And then the version. Version of your package, usually using Semver standard. If you don't know what is the Semver standard, just Google it. It's very easy, but it's what I was saying, the major and minor patches. Major change and doesn't have backwards compatibility. Then minor changes and new features with backward compatibility. And then we have the patches. That the patches are just bug fixes that doesn't break the code. So that's all. If we have a major update, for example from 0.0.0, we have a major update 1.0.0. If we had a new feature, 1.1.0. If we patch something, 1.1.1, and so on. That's how versions works with the Semver standard. And you will use the version you are actually in. This is the basic of the package. Some you need to learn more if you want something more explicit, but it's a good start point. And that's all, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.